Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffles with digestive biscuits. First, gather your simple ingredients, including digestive biscuits, chocolate, and butter. You'll then crush the biscuits into fine crumbs. Next, melt the chocolate and butter until smooth. Finally, combine these elements to create a delicious truffle mixture, ready for shaping and decorating. This process is straightforward and yields delightful results. To prepare your biscuit base, you can use a food processor for quick and uniform crumbs. Alternatively, place the digestive biscuits in a sturdy bag and crush them with a rolling pin. The key is to ensure there are no large chunks left, just fine crumbs. This creates the perfect texture for your truffles, providing a delightful foundation for the rich chocolate. Next, it's time to create your rich chocolate mixture. Gently melt your chosen chocolate and butter in a heat-proof bowl. You can use a double boiler for even heating or a microwave on low power, stirring frequently. Ensure the mixture is completely smooth and glossy before combining it with the biscuit crumbs. This forms the decadent binder for your truffles. Once your mixture is ready, chill it for at least 30 minutes to make it easier to handle. Then, roll small portions into uniform 1-inch balls. You can coat these delightful truffles in various ways, such as cocoa powder, shredded coconut, or colorful sprinkles. Finally, refrigerate your finished truffles until they are firm and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.